Hello, folks. It's Rich of Rich's Garage, or Rich's Cars, or Rich 220, or Rich's Automotive Restoration. Which one is it? Who the hell knows? Who the hell cares? Anyway, this is the secondary grill. I just got done painting it. So this is going to go in the 57 Chevy. A couple things got to be straightened out, like right there. I may have to come back and paint it. And the same thing with the bottom one, but it's not separated. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's probably just as old as the one that's in the car. And the other thing is, the moldings are all back on. I've been fighting with them all morning too. I think I have to take a couple of them off and get the dents out of them from rubbing into something else or another molding. So, but anyway, yeah, I still got to get the one piece here. I have to put that back on. So yeah, then we're going to take off the grill in the front. And no, that's not garbage in there. Those are wipes. And there's a torque wrench. There's a battery charger in there. There's an oil bath breather. And there's cream hardener. And there's also Sharpies. As well as a couple other things. But definitely no trash in there. This side I still got to work out yet. I still got to work out the back here. I don't think that's going to be too hard. If I can get a torch to heat this up, I might be able to get that to come back out and straighten it out, because it's not that big of a dent. This will probably straighten out. Oh, I'm back off. That area will probably straighten out after that gets straightened out. So I'm not too worried about that. Then I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to record it anymore. And nobody likes me doing live streams, so I guess I'm not going to do them anymore either. I'm going to avoid the riffraff. I'm just going to record videos and post them to YouTube. And that'll be it, folks. Unless you guys say otherwise. You know, you guys want me to live stream. I'm talking about the ones that are true followers. Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.